My name is David Alelah, and I've been a scholar at the ALiVE Academy since 2021. Being part of this first cohort has been a truly transformative journey. From the past sessions, one of my key learnings has been understanding how to design assessments that are not only relevant to our context, but also practical for use, in both households, but also in the classroom setting. I've especially appreciated the conversations around aligning life skills with curriculum goals and how tools need to be adapted to fit different learning contexts. The academy has also helped me think more critically about the link, between assessment, learning outcomes, and what it really means to prepare young people for life. I now feel more confident engaging with data, collaborating with partners across the region, and contributing to a system that values knowledge. It's been exciting to be part of this African-led journey, and I'm proud to be building solutions that truly